Oh, hey, welcome back. Falling asleep is something that comes naturally to everyone, except anyone who can't. And then it's torture, not sleep. If barrel rolling were an exercise, you'd be the healthiest person in the world right now. Am I right? We've all been there. So this is a quick session designed to help you fall asleep. So make sure all distractions you can get rid of are gone. If you have the lights on, gadgets, radio or TV, all of them turned off. Now, get snug into bed. Focus on my voice. Close your eyes and take a deep breath through your nose, and then release through your mouth. Take another deep breath, and this time hold it for the count of 3 before releasing. And release. Nice. Now continue breathing on your own pace. And while you do that, imagine you're considering what clothes you're wearing tomorrow. But only that thought. Nothing else related to it. Just the thought of seeing yourself opening your closet and finding clothes to wear. See yourself reaching for your closet door. And when it opens, you find yourself hearing the sound of the forest. Birds everywhere. The warmth of a summer sun streams through the trees, and you can feel the warmth of the day all around you. As you take another deep breath in, the warmth of the day glows to a bright light that surrounds you, and as you breathe in, fills you inside with warmth and happiness. It's white light you've created, and it's here now to put you to ease, helping you relax. You're relaxed and breathing at your own pace now, while warm white light fills you and keeps all other thoughts at bay. It's like a warm lighted cocoon protecting you while you relax inside, finding a nice warm spot to lay down for the day. While you breathe in and out, you rest your head, relaxing your neck muscles, sinking deeper and deeper into your warm, comfortable sleeping spot, nestled in and relaxing more, breathing in and out in a steady rhythm, comfortable and tingly all over. On your next breath in, let that warm, vibrant light reach every end of your body. And breathe out. Breathe in. As your eyelids become heavier and heavier, you breathe in and out, relaxed, happy, peaceful.